These are the rocky shores of northeastern United States. In winter, sub-zero temperatures, high winds, and violent waves characterize this place. This is not a place to hang around. But nature, however brutal, is seldom alone. Harlequin ducks, about half the size of a mallard, they call this place home. In spring, they start their lives along the rivers far inland. Under the watchful eyes of their mother, they grow up hunting and navigating in the river currents. In late fall, they swim downstreams through turbulent waters to the ocean to spend the winter months. They are no strangers to this extreme life. Even these waters calm down once in a while, providing a much needed reprieve. It is time to clean the grit and the parasites from the feathers and just enjoy a good splash in water. This lifestyle is hard on them. In fact, vets who have conducted autopsies on these ducks have reported fractured and self-healed bones. Diving in the churning water to hunt for crustaceans needs speed and agility. When they surface, they just propel out of the water. They don't have brakes. These are the daredevils in the duck world. While they seem to be leading a largely predator-free life, it is not without any drama. A male decides to pursue this unwary female. Another male joins in. They seem determined, but females know what to do and get away quickly. Harlequin ducks are monogamous, and females are taken early, leaving many single males on the lookout. The only way is to break the pair. And chases like this test the pair bond. The partner generally breaks the chase. But once in a while, she takes the matter into her own hands. She turns around instead of running away. It confuses the male, and he extends his neck in a courtship response. But she is ready to strike. She gives him the taste of his own medicine. Enough is enough.